Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler Tolbert of Smile Now Dental Group, and today we're answering a common question we get from patients considering full arch dental implants. Do I need 4 implants or should I get 6? Now you may have heard of all-in-4 dental implants, but at Smile Now we typically place 6 implants instead of 4. Why? Because more implants means better support, longer lasting results, and a stronger bite. In this video, I'll break down the key differences between 4 and 6 implants, why we recommend 6 whenever possible, and how this choice affects the function and longevity of your new smile. Let's start with the basics. What's the difference between all-in-4 and all-in-6 implants? Well, first we have all-in-4. The technique uses 4 dental implants to support an arch of teeth. In some cases, this can be sufficient to replace your teeth back to the first molar, but oftentimes the teeth in the back are unsupported by implants and are at risk for fracture. Enter the all-on-6 concept. This protocol uses 6 implants for added support and stability. Now, both methods allow you to restore a set of teeth in one procedure, but adding 2 extra implants provides several major advantages that we'll dive into next. So why do we recommend 6 implants instead of 4? Well, first, greater spread equals more stability. By spreading 6 implants out across the arch, the biting force is distributed more evenly across your jaw. This means less pressure on each implant and each tooth and a stronger, more stable restoration long term. Also, more teeth equals a more natural feel. With 6 implants, we can provide a full, more natural-looking set of teeth. With 4 implants, patients sometimes have shorter bridges or less support in the molar region, making chewing harder. 6 implants allows us to restore more teeth comfortably. Finally, longer longevity and reduced risk of complications. 4 implants can work really well for many patients, but over time, the increased pressure can increase wear and tear, potentially leading to implant failure, repairs, or even the need for revisions. 6 implants provides a stronger, more durable foundation, which means a longer lasting smile with fewer risk of complications. Most patients can and should receive 6 implants, but here are some cases where 6 implants are especially beneficial. First, patients who have abundant bone. In these cases, more implants can be placed without the need for additional procedures. And if you have the real estate for more implants in the back to support your most important chewing teeth, why wouldn't you want them? Second, patients who want maximum bite strength. If you love eating steak, nuts, or other tough foods, 6 implants provide better support for chewing. Third, patients looking for the longest lasting results. If you want the most secure, worry-free restoration, 6 implants gives you added durability for long-term success. Finally, patients who have low bone density can be more predictably restored when 6 implants are being used as opposed to 4. Now, in the case that you don't have much bone left, we may still be able to place 6 implants with modern techniques. And if not, we'll discuss some alternative options for you. At Smile Now Dental Group, we focus on long-term success and patient satisfaction. That's why our standard is 6 implants instead of 4. Here's some other things that set us apart. First off, more implants for better function and durability. Second, in-house procedures and fabrication for precision and cost savings. And finally, advanced digital workflows that ensure perfect placement of your implants and finally your teeth. We're here to help you get the strongest, most natural looking, and longest lasting smile possible. If you're considering full arch dental implants, let's talk. Schedule a free consultation today and we'll help you decide whether 4 or 6 implants are best for your situation. Simply click the link in the description to book your visit and let's get started on your journey to a stronger, healthier smile. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more expert dental insights. See you in the next video.